It's good to know that cleaning your fridge freezer will make it smell good, run more efficiently, and reduce food waste. Aim to deep clean your appliance every 3 to 6 months. Lifestyle dependent, of course. Do it when your fridge isn't full and wipe spills as you go. First, switch off your fridge freezer and empty the contents. Wipe down jars and bottles and store everything in a cool bag or box. Next, remove the shelves, door bins and drawers. It's best to let these reach room temperature before cleaning to avoid cracking. Wash them in warm soapy water and air dry. You can also use this to clean inside your fridge. Diluted vinegar or bicarbonate of soda paste is a natural alternative. Use a toothbrush for the grooves and the drain hole at the back. Dry everything well with a clean cloth. Door seals keep warm air out, so wipe and dry them thoroughly. It's also a good idea to wipe down handles and door edges. When you're done, put everything back in, switch it on, and let it cool to at least 5 degrees before restocking with food.